It is Justin here, and today we are going to be looking at how you can add timestamps to your YouTube videos easily and for free using NotebookLM. So the first thing you will want to do is head over to NotebookLM and log in. So you will then create a brand new notebook, and we will first need to get the link to our YouTube video that we want timestamps for. So we've copied the address from that YouTube video, and now we will paste it in. So just to go back quickly for a second, you can see with NotebookLM there are multiple ways you can add sources. In this case, of course, we already have a YouTube video, so we will use the URL right over there. I will show you shortly how you can do this for a brand new video that is not live on YouTube yet. But for now, let's look at this. So we insert that, and now we have our source. So let's ask NotebookLM, please generate timestamps or chapters for this video. And now NotebookLM will do its AI magic, analyze the video and generate the timestamps. So this is not the format that we would like for YouTube. So we want to tell it, please format the timestamps for my YouTube description. And now it will do its AI magic once again, this time complying with our initial request. So now we have the dubs over here. We can go to Gemini and say, please format these timestamps / chapters for my video. You can do the same thing in ChatGPT, of course. I just have Gemini open at this specific moment, and now it will do its AI magic and give us the timestamps. So now we have accurate timestamps we can easily put into our description of our YouTube video. From what I understand, this is not necessarily a ranking factor, but it does help, especially with user experience as well. And yeah, just a little thing I add to all of my videos, whether or not it gives a ranking boost or not. It's still good practice to do that. So let's say, for example, you don't have a live YouTube video, but you want to launch one, and you want to have the timestamps in the description as you launch that video. So for that, we can't use NotebookLM because for that we need an existing URL. But to complete this, we will use Google's Gemini. So I am not too sure if you can do this with a free account, but perhaps you can. In this case, I have the pro version. So what we will do is then literally just copy the source file, so the actual video MP4 itself, and upload it straight into Google Gemini. And as you can see, it's uploading right now. I tried to do this in ChatGPT, but the file sizes were just too large for it to be able to attach. So yeah, in this case, the functionality in Google Gemini works perfectly fine. So now I will ask Gemini, please create and format chapters or timestamps for this video for my YouTube description. And there we have it. We have chapters, also known as timestamps, and all you need to do again is just copy those, add them straight into the video, and how those land up appearing in the description. So as you can see, we've gone into the video, and now we have chapters in the description, which can be clicked as well. And if you hover over the progress bar, whatever you want to call it, you can also see the names of the chapters, and you can rename them to whatever you want. But what Google Notebook LM and Google Gemini does really well is, of course, it actually has the data of the video to go through it and create chapters. And now you see there's a chapters section down here, and it just makes for a really great user experience. So I hope this was a useful little tip. I recommend using this in all of your YouTube videos. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps go a long way in me providing more of these tips and tricks. So see you guys in the next one, and take care.